Hey everybody, today I'm going to be talking about serious games. So basically the serious game I'm going to be talking about is Divided Up Puppies. Now, what is a serious game? Basically it's a game that has a challenging goal, it's fun to play or engaging, it incorporates some concept of scoring, and it provides a skill, knowledge or attitude that can be applied by the student in the real world. So basically, the purpose of this serious game is for students to learn how to solve problems involving division by one-digit numbers, including those that result in a remainder. So quickly, one of the reasons why I chose this game here was because it also provides teacher's notes. So it shows what part of the curriculum is going to be covered. So it tells us here that the learning area will be mathematics, the strand will be number and algebra, substrand, number and place value, and that it will be taught to a year level of 5. So basically, here's the game here. When you start it up, this is what you'll see, and you'll be given a problem in the left-hand corner. So this problem here is there are 23 biscuits to share among 3 puppies. How many biscuits do you think each puppy will get? So the first thing we're going to do is work out how many times does 3 go into 23. Now this is 7. So we're going to click it 7 times and then click OK. So now we're going to try it in our working out space. So we're going to count 7 biscuits. 4, 5, 6, 7 and click try. And then it's going to tell us if we were right or wrong. So the puppies will get 7 biscuits each. Now use the arrows to choose the number of biscuits left over. So this is when we work out the remainder. So we're going to look in the working space and we're going to count 1, 2 biscuits. So we're going to click twice and then hit OK. It'll then tell you again if you're right or wrong. So there are 2 biscuits left over. Can these biscuits be cut up and shared among the puppies? So yes, they can. Then we're going to cut them up, divide them amongst the puppies, and then we're going to complete the word sentence. So the puppies have 7 biscuits each and 2/3 of a biscuit each. It'll then tell us again if we're right or wrong. It'll say, well done if you've got it right, and it will give you the equation. And then you can select a new problem to try another one. So we can click new, and then here the student will have to work out again how many biscuits each puppy will need. So basically that's the game there. It's really great, really interactive for students. It's definitely a serious game because it has a challenging goal, and that is that the kids will have to work out with division how many biscuits each puppy will get or how many toys each puppy will get. And then they'll also have to work out the remainders. So that's just going a little bit further with their division and their mathematics. It will also teach them a skill and knowledge, and obviously that is maths once again. And I just think it's a really great serious game to interact with students, and it does say year level 5, but I'm sure it can be spanned across many different grades. And the website it was accessed from was education.abc.net.au, and this is a great teaching resource. It provides heaps of serious games just like this one. I hope you learned a little bit about what a serious game is and a bit about Divided Up Puppies. Maybe you could go and try it yourself and learn a little bit. Thank you for listening.